guys, it's Jae with Inspired Designs with Jae, and in today's video I am participating in a collaboration hosted by the Diva team. I'm looking at my notes here. Me, myself, and DIYing it. Cynthis SheSoBless, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Diva Decorating. And this tablescape is Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday 2020. These lovely ladies do this every Sunday, and I am so thankful to be a part of this open collaboration with these lovely ladies. And I am using the theme pink for my tablescape. The only things that are not plastic in this tablescape is the wine glass and the tumbler and the platter that's sitting, that the centerpiece is sitting on, but everything else is plastic. And if you like to see how I put this particular place setting together, please stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get into it. It's actually, this is how this particular centerpiece looks, and the full effect of it is right here. And so we're going to be using these gold chargers that are plastic, these pink plates that are paper, and these floral salad plates that are paper. We have paper napkins, 2 paper napkins, the solid pink and the floral. The solid is for your lap, and the one here in the wine glass is for your fingertips and your mouth. So let's get started. We're going to place our chargers at each setting. Okay, so the next thing we're going to place are these pink solid ones, and we're going to do it on a diamond setting right here. Just placing it so it looks like a diamond. That's the only thing we're doing. Simple as that. Put a little interest, nothing more. And then now we're going to place these lovely floral ones here with the pink butterflies and blue butterflies. Touches of gold. I had to have them because of the touches of gold. And our last one here. Very simple. Very, very simple. So the next one is we're going to place these napkins here. And how I'm folding them is so that it makes this cone shape, and all I'm doing is setting it in the wine glass and letting it flop open. Again, setting it so that it makes a cone shape and putting it in the wine glass and letting it flop open. And again, one more just like that into the wine glass, and that's for the fingertips and the mouth, and one for your lap. Could be because we're having barbecue. Alright, so we're going to place the napkins on the right. We're going to place our silverware. Knife is always on the right with the edge, the cutting edge to the plate so you don't cut yourself. And the spoon goes on the outer right. And the fork is always on the left. Again, knife edge on the right, spoon outer right, fork on the left, and our last setting again right here. And guys, that completes our tablescape. I hope you enjoyed how I put this together. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it, and I think it turned out really pretty. And it is always my goal to inspire you to design your life with style. And please subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you, and please share my videos. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day. I'll bring you in closer so you can see the setting.